welcome back to Family History 101. I am Sister Seller, serving in the Salem, Oregon mission, and today we're going to be reviewing fixed place names. So if you remember in the home page tutorial that I talked about, everything that was on a home page, well, now we're going to explore this new volunteer opportunity, help fix place names. So let's try it out. Might take a couple minutes to load, but this screen will come up. It says improve the accuracy of family tree. You can help by associating a user entered place with a standard place found on a map. So anything that anyone enters from indexing, whether it's misspelled or not quite on a map, or the town disappeared over time, whatever situation it may be, this is helping improve the accuracy of family tree and family searches records. So the first thing we'll do is we'll see the entered place that someone typed in, and then we're going to compare it to what is a Google Maps place, and then we'll go from there. So let's review 10 places. It only gives you about 10 places to do at a time, but it'll give you a person and you're not necessarily related to them, and you can look at their ID number, which is right here. You have the skipping option. You can see what number you're on, and then it'll kind of give you a little bit of information on how to do it again. So this looks like it's the birthplace in the Atlantic Ocean oceans. So she was born on maybe a ship or something like that. So we can go ahead and select standard place. Now most of this is just common sense, and you only have to type in what the person typed in. Now if you're like, well, that doesn't make any sense that they were born on the ocean, well, you know, probably on a boat or something like that. So you just kind of have to use your brain a little bit. So Atlantic Ocean seems close enough to me, which is kind of an interesting one for our first one, but that's okay. Save and continue. And then the next person, I don't know how to pronounce that, so I won't try to pronounce it. But it says it's not a standardized place. So Hapa, Nuku, Hiva, I'm probably saying it wrong, but it talks about other life events that person had. If you wanted to look at those as well, you can look at the person's record if you want, but then again, it is mostly common sense. So let's see, select standard place for this one. Let's see what kind of places Google brings up for us. So Nuku Hiva, I'm looking at this one, and I see a couple places for Nuku, but I am not quite sure with this one. And if you're not quite sure, that is totally fine. You can go ahead and hit skip, and it'll give it to someone else to do, which is really nice. So we'll skip. Oh, it looks like that one was the same one, so we skipped that one again. I won't try to pronounce that one. Again, it says Midorf Seg. I don't know how to pronounce that either, but we can look and see what Google has for us. Let's see, it looks like it's a place in Germany. A lot of these places are coming up. This one is a general district. This one is a farm. When it has a date on it, that means it suggests that it was only there for a certain period of time. But this one seems pretty general here. And there's the seg part, and then this one down here doesn't have any of those. So I'm going to select this one, and don't worry if you feel like, oh, if I don't know what it is, then why would I put it in? This is just helping. It's very generalized. I'm not an official family search person, but I've been doing it for a long time, and it's been kind of fun to do. So there's that one. Looks like we can save and continue to the next one, and you'll just keep going through the names, the 10 fixed place names, to finish all of them. If it's not a good match for you, you can go ahead and go back to family search, but this is something nice that you can do that helps move family search's records forward. If you liked this video, go ahead and comment and share it with your friends and family to help Family Search improve their place names, to put those ancestors' places on maps. See you next time.